Hi guys, I am Sachin Chaturvedi and welcome to SkillTube. In this video, I'll be showing you how can we make 3D logo mockup in Photoshop within just 3 minutes. So let's get started. So first of all, open the file in Photoshop and remove the background of the image to make the logo very transparent. Okay, so now we'll head into the browser and now search for logo mockup. So there you will get many images of the logo mockup and choose the images you prefer. I like this one, so now I'll visit the link. Now download the file. There you will get the PSD file. Download it for free. Now we'll just open the file. There you will get the RAR file, that means RAR file, and open the Photoshop. So this is the mockup file. Now double click on the smart object in the layer panel, which is the topmost layer. So this is the logo which is already created. Now change this logo. Now make the selection of the logo you made and press Ctrl C to copy the object and now paste it to the smart object tab. Press Ctrl V to paste the logo you made in the smart object layer and press Ctrl T to resize this. Now what we gotta do, you just need to resize it according to the artboard size. And now hide the previous layer of the logo mockup and press Ctrl S to save the changes. Hide this layer and press Ctrl S to save the changes and then close the tab. So here we have two more tabs and now click on the previous tab. So here you will get your 3D logo in your customized form. So now go to file and quick export it as PNG. Go to export and export it as PNG. There you go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Meet you in the next video.